This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Caroline Badgett. This property is a fixer-upper with potential. While 2 out of the 4 units are leased, the entire property requires some work. Each unit has the same floor plan, 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and washer/dryer connections in the kitchen. Each unit includes a balcony with waterfront views. Photos are available for 3 of the 6 units, making it easier to understand the layout. Part of the property extends across the street, offering waterfront access. For more information, review the details below or contact Caroline Badgett at 865-966-1111.